In the world today, especially here in Africa, the term hustle has become a hobby note that even me, I'm guilty of using it. Everywhere you go, you see everyone telling everyone, work hard, hustle, work hard, hustle. Go to social media, you see a lot of it. But believe me, it's only few people out of these people that are actually making it. And those are the people that are actually working at the right thing. You see, all this whole idea of working harder like you are the most productive person in the world has become a problem here in Africa. And you see this kind of people giving themselves false hope that one day is going to be their day, one day they are going to make it big, but they are not really doing anything really productive. Especially in this new world of social media entrepreneur where everyone has made it, even though they haven't achieved anything really tangible. And those are the kind of people that will be telling you to work hard, hustle tight, work hard, hustle tight, but in reality, they are full of a whole lot of procrastination and action taking. You see, this kind of people make it feel as if working hard and hustle tight encompasses all. It doesn't, it's a facade. Now, take a second to digest this question. Since you have been working hard and hustling tight, have you really achieved that result that you have been aiming for? Yes, it's okay to pretend that you are really working hard and hustling tight, but you are not really getting to anywhere. You see a lot of people here in Africa that they are not really doing anything really productive, but they'll be tricking themselves that one day they are going to make it really big. No, it doesn't work that way. Working hard and hustling tight is one piece of the puzzle. Working hard at the right thing is the final piece of the puzzle. So get that. Don't get me wrong, and let me be clear here. I'm not saying that hustling tight or working hard is a bad thing, but if you really want to be successful here in Africa and stand out, in order to escape that poverty, you really have to work smart. That is, you really have to work hard at the right thing. So now let me ask you, have you been working hard at the right thing? I don't really have the answer, but your achievement in life should give you the answer. So, Afaji, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, like this video, share this video, I do recommend you do those things. Thank you. Let's go back to the business. If you really want to be successful and stand out here in Africa, in order to escape that poverty, you really have to work smart. That is, you really have to work hard at the right thing. It's not about your passion or your hard work or your hustling. The market doesn't care about your hustle. All they want is a problem solved. So, since you have been working hard and hustling tight, have you really solved any problem? And what is the result of the problem that you solved? Or you are just been chasing money in order to secure the bag? And if that is the case, then you have been doing it all wrong. If you take a look at the life of the most successful people we have in Africa today and all over the world, you will realize that those people solved a particular problem and they were rewarded favorably for doing so. Those people solved a billions-dollar problem and they were rewarded billions. So if you think only by hard work and hustling tight will take you to that place you are aiming for, then you lie. So if you really want to be successful in a relatively crowded market like here in Africa, then you have to solve a particular problem. If you solve the problem, then money will come after you. If the problem is solved worth millions, then you will earn in millions. If the problem is solved worth billions, then you will earn in billions. Aliko Dangote helped solve a billions-dollar problem and he was rewarded billions. So if you really want to be successful here in Africa or in the world in general, you should consider solving a particular problem. If the problem really worth it, then the solution will earn you money. So, how do you know that a problem is worth solving? People often solve the wrong problem due to inadequate understanding or focusing on one aspect of a larger problem. To accurately identify the right problem to solve, it's essential to also ask yourself some questions and answer the question yourself, which are:
1. What is the basic need? 2. What is the desired outcome? 3. Who stands to benefit and why? 4. Is the effort aligned with your strategy? 5. What approaches will best suit the problem? 6. What have others tried? 7. What requirement must a solution meet?
If you can answer yourself these questions, it's time to move on and define the problem. So, how do you define the problem?
Establish the need for a solution. The purpose of this is to articulate the problem in the simplest terms possible. 2. Justify the need. The purpose of this is to explain why you should attempt to solve the problem. 3. Contextualize the problem. Examining past effort to find a solution can save time and resources and generate highly innovative thinking. And if the problem is industry-wide, it's crucial to understand why the market has failed to address it. 4. Write a problem statement. Now it's time to write a full description of the problem you are seeking to solve and the requirements the solution must meet. The problem state, which captures all that you have learned through answering those questions, helps establish a consensus on what a viable solution will be and what resources will be required to achieve it.
So now that you have defined your problem, it's time to move on and find a scalable solution to the problem. Your solution needs to affect a large number of people.
Maybe you are in a tech and your solution is an application. That means once the application has been built, you can scale it infinitely online without having to cast the thought towards things like production, shipping costs, because everything is done virtually.
But you need to be very careful. If your solution requires much of your time to generate money, as you all know, time is money.
For example, let me say you are someone that teach people how to code physically, probably in an office. Well, congrats, that's not bad at all. But there's only a certain amount of lesson you can feasibly do in one day. Therefore, your earning is time bound. But what if you create an online coding tutorial that runs 24 hours 7? Now, that is scalable.
So now that you have found your solution, it's your duty and hard work to make sure that the solution can be accessed by everyone in your market. Now that you have put everything in place, it's time to move on and reap what you have sowed. Enjoy your best life. You see, a lot of us here in Africa are just working hard and hustling tight because that is what the environment teaches us as the right thing to do. And in the case of hustling tight and working hard, we end up working hard at the wrong thing. And this is a very big mistake I see a lot of us make, where we are working hard and hustling tight for the sake of working hard and hustling tight. Yay, you've come to the end of this video, but don't click on just yet. This video took so much of my time to research, script, edit, film, and so on and so forth. So you can't imagine how much I really do appreciate your support. If you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, share the video, drop your comment at the comment section, I would really appreciate that. And also, if you don't like the video, don't be shy, hit the dislike button twice for it to be sure. And if you're watching from Facebook, then share the video, like the page, follow us. And your engagement really matters to us. So we really appreciate your support. If you can take your time to subscribe, to like, share the video, and drop your comment, like the video, follow the page, we really appreciate that. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you. Yeah.